How to check restricted messages on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Messenger app from your Android in your Play Store. Then you have to open the Messenger app in your phone. You will see here different options at the top. We are going to know that how to check restricted messages on Messenger. Click on the three lines which appear at the left right top corner. Now the people which are restricted or blocked on Messenger, how we can check their messages. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. By clicking on the three lines, click on the message request. You will see the messages of those people which are blocked on your account. Thank you so much. This was whole procedure for Android as well as on iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.